Picture this. It's midnight and someone's scrolling Zillow, finds your website, and wants to know, is this property still available? Do you handle VA loans? When's the best time to list my house? But you're asleep. And by the time you reply the next day, they've moved on to another agent. Hi, I'm Joey from Sage AI Solutions, and today I want to show you how AI agents can change that. These aren't just robots spitting out canned answers. They're tools that can learn your business, talk like you, and help you win clients, even while you're off the clock. And I'm breaking down 5 real ways AI agents can help real estate pros. No coding required. Let's get into it. 1. Website assistant. First up, your website assistant. Think about your website. How many potential clients visit it, look around, and then leave because no one's there to answer their questions? Maybe they want to know, do you work with VA loans? Is this property still available? What's the HOA fee? A traditional chatbot might just say, visit our website for more information. Not super helpful. But an AI agent trained on your business could answer, absolutely. I work with VA loans all the time. The HOA fee on this property is $225 a month, covering pool access and landscaping. Want me to send you more VA-friendly listings? That's real help, even at midnight, while you're asleep. Second, listing copywriting and SEO. Let's be honest, writing property descriptions can be exhausting. One day it's cozy 3-bedroom with a spacious backyard. Next day you're staring at your screen thinking, how many ways can I say stainless steel appliances? An AI agent can help you write engaging property descriptions, highlight unique features, adjust your tone for luxury homes versus starter homes, include SEO keywords like Santa Fe homes with mountain views or Los Alamos 3-bedroom homes, all in your voice, so your listings don't sound generic or robotic. 3. Lead revival assistant. Let's say someone visited your website, started filling out a form to book a showing, then disappeared halfway through. Or maybe a buyer reached out 6 months ago, looked at a few listings, and vanished. Instead of manually digging through old contacts, an AI agent can automatically follow up. Hey, Alex, I noticed you were checking out Santa Fe homes recently. Want me to help you finish booking that showing or send you some updated listings? That's how you capture more leads. 4. Transaction assistant. Real estate deals can be stressful, right? Clients constantly ask, what happens after my offer is accepted? How long does closing take? When's the inspection scheduled? An AI agent can answer those questions clearly. Send reminders about important deadlines. Help clients feel calm and informed. That's less time answering repetitive questions and more time focusing on what matters. 5. And finally, content and social media. A strong online presence is everything for real estate agents. But writing blogs, newsletters, and social posts takes hours. An AI agent can help you draft blog posts about local market trends, write Instagram captions, create LinkedIn posts. Keep your messaging consistent and professional so you stay visible without spending your entire weekend writing. So there you have it. 5 real ways AI agents can help real estate pros. Website assistant, listing copywriting and SEO, lead revival, transaction help, and social media and content. These tools aren't just for big tech companies anymore. Whether you're a solo agent or a part of a team, you can start using AI to save time and connect better with clients. If you'd like help building any of these AI agents for your real estate business, visit sageaisolutions.com or book a clarity call through the link in the description. Quick question for you. Out of all the tasks you handle in real estate, what's one thing you'd love an AI agent to take off your plate? Drop it in the comments. And if you're curious about how AI agents are different from chatbots and why it matters for your business, check out my video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.